Hello guys. So today we are going to learn how to set up a Python in our Windows. Okay. So basically, go to your browser. Okay. In search bar, type Python, and then see here there is already an option Python download. Okay. Select it. You will directly redirect to the Python link. Okay, so we'll see it. Okay, we'll directly uh, all options regarding this is going to be shown. So click here. This is a Python official site, that is www.python.org. Okay, click here. Okay, we will directly go to the home page of Python official site. It will taking a lot of time to load, but still okay. So we will on the home page of Python site. Okay, so see there are a lot of version. So we want to select a suitable version for our Windows. So click here. You can see the Windows option. There are many options of Pythons are for the different platforms are available, like Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and others. So different OS versions can be listed over here. So which is your operating system, accordingly you can select the option. So I am going to click on Windows. So see these different options of Python for the Windows are available. So I am going to click on 2.7.18. okay, so after that my Windows is 32-bit, so that's why I am selecting Windows x86 MSI installer. Click over here. After click on it, it will directly going to download the Python setup. Okay, after downloading the setup file, we are going to install it. uh, just wait a minute. Yes, the download is completed. So wait for a minute. When this is going to be completed, it will directly open. Yes, setup is here. So click on run. So setup of Python is going to be launched. Okay, so install for all users. Click on next option. Okay, select the path. Yes, yes, I am overwriting. uh, okay, okay, select, okay, add here path. Okay, or we can enter features. Okay, next. So your Python setup is going to be start. The last option is for Python environment setup variable, so select it. Okay, your path is directly going to be set. uh, this will take several minutes. Yes, setup is going to be complete now. Okay, so your setup is completed. Okay, so click on finish. Okay, so see where it is going to be shown. Go to the all programs. Okay, select this folder, that is Python 2.7. Okay, you will see all these options. Okay, it is ideally, this is module docs, this is Python command line. If you want any information, go to the Python manuals. Okay, if you want to uninstall the Python, click on here. So just we'll see how to operate through ideally. So ideally is going to be open. Yes, this is a ideally window, that is Python shell. Okay, so I'm just going to write a single command, that is just a print statement, to show you how it's going to be work. Okay, so this hello under this world. Okay, so see here, yes, it's going to be show you the result like this. So this is our first practical, that is the installation of Python. Okay, and configure it. So we'll start uh, different what we can say operations, or what are the different modes of Python, we'll see in the next practical. Thank you.